What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I need to talk to you guys about something that's basic. On a basic level, I think whenever something has an update, whenever some sort of business that I'm using or some sort of platform is updated, it's always great to go in it and explore what's new and what makes it more interesting and why they decided to change all these things. So, um, if you don't know, I talk about cryptocurrency quite a bit. And I use CoinMarketCap pretty frequently to break down a lot of my cryptocurrency. And a lot of times it is a pain to go through certain places to where you have to wait for it to load to go to a completely different screen. And it's just so complex. Not really like super complex to where it's impossible, or else I wouldn't be using it. But definitely different to where you can't have everything on the screen really at one time or be able to just scroll to it. You have to kind of load what's next. And I think with the changes that CoinMarketCap has made, we definitely have something that's a little bit better, a little bit more user friendly. It may be different for some people, but it looks really, really good in my opinion. Um, I became aware of this morning. I don't know when they had the update. I guess it would be this morning because I was looking at things yesterday and it did not look like this. So they must have just updated it. But I wanted to go through it. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. And don't forget about the Patreon link that is in the description if you guys have any questions about crypto or coin market cap, about cryptocurrency or anything. Feel free to reach out to me and we can go ahead and talk about it. Whether it's in private messages over in Patreon or in Discord group, you can reach out to the entire group, or you can be private and reach out to me, on a private note. But anyways, let's talk about CoinMarketCap. Now, if we look at CoinMarketCap from the surface, it doesn't really look different here, right? We see everything that we wanted to see trending, recently added, top community post. You'll go into all the different detail here. You can understand that if you break this down, you're going to see whether the dominance has increased or decreased, which is always a great thing to know. And then you scroll down here, you're going to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, just all of the list of the top 100. Nothing has really changed here at all. We see the top 100, everything looks great. However, as you click into something, as you wanted to know about Ethereum, this looks completely different. Absolutely different, to where you're not just seeing things that are on the top and you have to load into certain things. You're seeing all the detail that you really want to see right from the start, right from this page, which is definitely a great deal here. Now, let's just go through the different places where you would find things so that you guys do understand what to look for. Now, instead of you looking for a lot of it where it was, on the top and having all the different breakdowns of everything on the top, well, now you have that completely on the side. And why is that better? Well, as you scroll anywhere, that information is always there. That information will always be there. So if you're looking to do any type of B-roll for YouTube videos, or you're looking to have information where you want to screenshot it for Discord group or whatever, you can now have Ethereum and what the price is, what it looks like for the last day, and then also break down what the chart looks like and break down a lot of other things. So if you go over here, you're going to see all the information that you saw at the top: market cap, volume to market cap ratio. You're looking at a circulating supply. You're going to see the total supply, max supply, fully diluted market cap as well. That comes at the bottom. And then you get into the contracts and, all the website links and everything that you want to see there social wise. Instead of you having to click into it and see multiple things that are there and, get a drop down list, you now can see everything that's associated with this, right? You can see the Twitter, you can see the Reddit, you can see whatever else they have, and then click on those things without having to go into multiple clicks to figure that out. So it's definitely a change up there. So you can go into the contract, click into the contract, you have a breakdown for that. Now you still do have to go into more if you want to get a breakdown of that specific project on other chains. You still would have to go into a drop down for that. But either way, you're still looking at a pretty great breakdown of everything, and it's off to the left, it's vertical, it looks really, really great. Now, like I said, what makes this really good is like when you go into the old way of looking at it, you had chart, news, about analytics, and then you also had markets and everything. And when you went into it, you had to go into an individual like load. It just went to a completely like different part of the screen to show you the markets, to show you the news, to show you all of this stuff. Well, that's not the case anymore. This is just a scroll bar. You can scroll to whatever you want and you see how it updates as you go down. You can see what the news is, what it's all about. You can see the analytics that come up after you scroll down here. You see the analytics of everything. Then you also see the markets. So it gives you all of the data that you really want to see within this platform. And I know this is kind of sounds like an advertisement for CoinMarketCap. I just like platforms that are very, very user friendly. And it seems like CoinMarketCap is finding ways to update everything. So you do have the community that's over here that will always stay constant if you guys want to see different people within the community. But again, you have all the different detail that you want to see, whether it's, breaking down by candlestick and understanding what's happening by candlestick, going into trading view and putting some analytics that's there. But then you scroll down or you just click into news, it'll take you right there. You'll be able to update or get update on a lot of different news that is here, whether you're talking about Sponge, Ethereum, or Pepe, or whatever. You go into about, you understand what it's all about. You go over here to markets and you'll be able to get the full breakdown for the market. So honestly, I like the way this looks. I like the way this feels. It just works well, especially for people that are content creators, especially for people that post screenshots of things. Because now if I wanted to know about the news, I can know about the news and still have a screenshot of Ethereum, the overall price and where things are moving, and, circle whatever I want to circle. Then if I go into markets, I can have the same thing, have a full breakdown of, Ethereum and everything that's happening with the market cap, and then also understand what's the highest markets that it's available on, right? By volume, how much goes through here, right? 12% will go through Binance. Well, now I can put that and still know what the price is. So it's great for a content creator. I know it's something that may be minimal to you guys, but I think it's huge. It's definitely something that I've been looking for, and it makes it just 10 times easier for me. So anyways, let me know what you think about the coin market cap update. Are you excited for what they've had here, or is it just something you're like, it's the same old, same old? It's not changing anything for me. It's not making my overall investment situation better. I think it honestly will, to be able to have this full breakdown and understand everything that you need to understand without scrolling down and losing everything that was at the top, not being able to see where the market cap is, how the price changed, everything like that. It's kind of giving you like a live exchange like look to it, while having all the different detail to tell you what it's all about. So honestly, I think it's great. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. Check out some of my other channels as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.